This is the new M12 fuel right angle die grinder from Milwaukee. From fabrication to automotive, if you're cleaning up a weld, preparing a surface, or reseating a gasket, you're gonna love using this grinder. It's small and compact, there's no cords or hoses restricting your movement like with comparable die grinders. That paddle trigger feels like the trigger on a pneumatic tool. There's plenty of resistance and it gives you a lot of variable speed control. There's also 4 speed settings on the rear. 10, 15, 20, and 24,500 RPM, which is really purring along. But unlike the air-powered equivalent, when you're at full tilt, it's really quiet. Make sure you always check the speed rating on the head you're gonna be using with the die grinder. You don't want a 10,000 RPM brush head spinning at 24,500 RPM. Without a battery, it weighs less than your phone, but still outputs 0.3 of a horsepower from that power state brushless motor. There's a handy fuel gauge on the grip and an illuminating work light on the base. The bare skin comes with a 6 and an 8mm collet and the tools for changing them. Tiny powerful tool, no hoses, compressors, or leads. That's the M12 fuel right angle die grinder from Milwaukee. They're available at all Sydney Tool stores right now and online. Hit me up with your questions in that comment section below, and until next time, I'm Tim, you're watching Sydney Tools TV.